of the big white world. She grew up within her castle walls. Now and then she tried to run, and then on the night with the setting sun, she went in the woods away, so afraid, all alone. They warned her, don't go there, there's creatures who are hiding in the dark, and something and creeping. It's all that, don't you worry, just follow everywhere I go. Somewhere on the mountains where I live now, give you everything you've been dreaming of. Just let me in. She was hypnotized and walking on coffin nights. Then it broke, she awoke.